Hello everyone, how you doing? How's it going? i20 today, and you're looking right at the culprit, the Arial. Okay, alright. The Arial is finished. It's broken, it's cracked, it's sun damaged. I can't even pick up radio very nicely anymore. It's just not as good as being an Arial as it could be. So, replacement guy is a once 1,300 rand for another Arial. I'm gonna call it auto gear 12 volt antenna, right? Okay, you know what? Let's leave it in the packet, but it looks very similar. Okay, rubber at the bottom. It's the same V, but the plus, it's like twice as short. It's literally half the length. Okay, so this will look nicer, but will it fit? Oh, and also at Midas, 100 rand. Okay, 100 rand. Looks exactly the same. This nut might be an issue. We will know when we open up the roof. Okay, so let's get to it. I need to open up the you get underneath this, so it's underneath the roof, so you gotta hold the headliner but down and stuff. But let's get to that. Okay, so we've been here before. To install the camera, I had to remove the headliner to get the wire in here and around and over, and you know, it was effort. But we were here before, so to get this off, this needs to come out. You flip this out, there's a screw under there. You flip this out, the screw under there, you pull this plastic. You pull this plastic and then you remove this rubber, and you can press down the headliner. Press down the headliner. We should be able to get it. It's just here. So let me just loosen that stuff and then try and pull this down and see if we can get there nicely. Yeah, okay, alright. A little bit more involved than I was hoping. Oh yeah, you pretty much have to get the headliner out 90%. The spiller you have to get out. The wire goes all the way that way. See the wire over there, and then it comes up into the bottom of the Arial, which is over there. Okay, alright. This sucks. Okay, so the Arial is not the same. I was hoping it was. Very simple. Most of the things just clip away. If you look at the wire here, the wire is like a female, so there's the other end of the wire, it's like a female, right? And then to the fakey universal, this is a male. I can replace the Arial with this better Arial, but I'm gonna have to chop the wire. So I will chop the wire because it is an Arial wire. It's the same like on a TV Arial. I mean, if you know, you know. So it has an outside wire and an inside wire, so they just must touch. Okay, so just a shifting spanner. You just make it loose. Just to get that nut off. Do we just whack it? Yep. So whack it out. There you go. You. Sure. Bit of an effort lining it up, because you want it also to be like straight and stuff like that. Because it doesn't have a centering tool or centering part that makes you line it up, but it's in. I'll just wire it up. Okay. So wired up the other one, sealed it nice, connected the wire up, some insulation tape is just literally connecting wires. You can solder it, but yeah, I don't have a solder now, but just wired it up. And now you're gonna put all this headliner back again. Yay! So there you go. Retrofitting station working. Retrofitting a smaller Arial on a i20. Works perfect. Works perfect.